Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Nike promo codes or the top discount codes in 2025. So in order to get the promo codes, all you need to do is to simply open your web browser, and here you just have to simply type Nike promo codes 2025. Now once you do that, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites that are providing you promo code, and you will notice that Nike is one of them. So you just have to simply come to this page that is official Nike promos and discount page. I will also try to put the link of it down in the description, or you can even type nike.com/promo code in order to come to this page. Now over here you just have to scroll down a bit, and here you will see all of the working discounts over here. Like, you can explore more the student discounts, in which students can get 10% discount on Nike, birthday discount in which you can get 10% off, and you can even take a look at bunch of other discounts that are mentioned over here. You will also see some of the trending sales and styles on the products. So if you are interested in any of these, you can purchase them on the discount. For example, this particular sneaker, the original price of it is $90, but right now you can get it in $67. Now let's say you are not happy with this discount and you want to get more discount on Nike. You just have to simply open another tab and search for Nike promo codes. Then you will be able to see various websites that are providing you promo codes. So you just have to click on the one that suits you the best or in which you are interested. Like this one caught my eyes, that is giving 40% off. So you just have to click on that in order to check out the latest promo codes as of January 2025. Here you need to click on the show promo codes in order to get that particular deal. Now this is showing you that you can grab up to 50% off on the site-wide Nike product orders, and the deal is activated. So you can just copy this code from here, and it is saying you that you need to use this coupon code at checkout. So you just have to copy this code from here, and on the Nike's website you just have to simply log in into your account, and you can use this promo code at the time of checkout. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comments, and I'm here to help you out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.